Every handyman and pro knows there's a right way and a wrong way to drive a screw. The right way is to drill and countersink a pilot hole before driving a screw in. But what a pain it is. First you put a drill bit in and drill your hole. Then you take out the drill bit and put a driver bit in. You drive the screw in, then repeat the entire process over and over again. Well, no more. Introducing the tool every do-it-yourselfer and pro needs, the Spin and Drive from All Trade Tools. Now you can drill and countersink a hole, spin, and drive a screw into the hole all in one quick and easy motion. Here's how easy it is to use the Spin and Drive. First, attach to any standard power drill. Drill and countersink your hole in one easy step. Next, unlock and turn the Spin and Drive 180 degrees to expose the driver bit. Position the screw over the hole and drive it home. That's all there is to it. You can sink 5 or more screws in the time it normally takes to sink one screw with a regular drill setup. No other drill and drive accessory works as easy or as fast. To make the job even easier, the Spin and Drive includes 4 countersink drill bits and 4 chrome vanadium Phillips driver bits. It's easy to change bits too. Just unscrew the knurled locking collar, swap out the old bit, and swap in the new one, and then get right back to work. The Trades Pro Spin and Drive is crafted from lightweight, durable aluminum alloy. It's been designed and tested to provide years of use, and is protected by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Give it a spin and you wonder how you ever survived without one. The Spin and Drive from All Trade Tools.
The original TS1 turbo shear is a two-handed operation. Blind cuts require only a 1/2-inch starter hole. This 20-gauge capacity turbo shear can even tackle metal enclosures for equipment, such as a furnace jacket, for example. For added flexibility, an optional drill clamp is available to convert the original turbo shear model for one-handed use. Get the professional results you want, faster, easier, with the professional tools you need. Tools of the Trade by Malco.